Let's delve deeper into this data mesh prototype. In this exercise, we'll learn to create a new event streaming application from an existing data product. Then, we'll cover how to publish our derived event stream as a new product for others to consume. Data mesh enables us to create new applications from existing data products. While the Explore Data Products page of the prototype allows you to explore the data products you have access to, the Create Apps Using Data Products tab will show you one way to use them. The data mesh prototype has bootstrapped a KSQLDB application for you. Using KSQLDB, we can build stream-based applications, also known as persistent queries, derived from the existing data products we have access to. Here, we've made this easy by creating a set of predefined business use cases represented by KSQLDB statements that you can execute with a click of a button. Each use case gives some additional information, including the data product inputs, as well as the resulting output topic. The KSQLDB statement that will be executed is shown for reference. After successfully executing the KSQLDB statement, there will be a new persistent query running in your KSQLDB application. Note that we have not yet created a data product. We've simply created a new event stream of transformed events from the input data products. In order to create a new data product, there is an additional step of publishing the event stream. The Publish Data Products screen is designed to be a prototype of how you might manage your data products within your domain. As a member of the analytics domain, we can see that the output topic from our KSQLDB query is available to publish. When you publish a Kafka topic as a data product, you provide the necessary metadata. This metadata is stored in the Confluent Cloud Data Catalog, and this is what allows it to be discovered by others later on. In this case, we are creating a new data product for high-value stock trades, so we'll add appropriate metadata for our team, a description, and appropriate values for the data quality of our new data product. Now that we've published, go back to the Explore Data Products tab where you can observe the new data product. To remove a data product from the data mesh, return to the Publish Data Products screen and click Remove from Mesh. Now that you've built and explored the data mesh prototype, feel free to check out the project repository for the details on how it's implemented using Confluent Cloud APIs and services. An important thing to note as you finish up: when you've completed your evaluation of the data mesh prototype, you should destroy all of the Confluent Cloud resources to prevent unexpected charges. For your convenience, the prototype repository contains a command for you to use to destroy everything created in the Module 2 hands-on exercise. To destroy the Confluent Cloud resources, stop the web server with Ctrl-C, and then run make destroy in the terminal. The script shows you what cloud resources it has destroyed, but it's always a good idea to check the Confluent Cloud Web Console to ensure everything has been removed as expected. With that, we can wrap up this module. To summarize, over the course of these exercises, we successfully brought up a data mesh prototype, and within it we explored data products, created a new data product, and published it for others to use. With the experience and understanding you've gained here today, I can't wait to see what you build next.